Hey viewers, welcome back to NSE Trading. Before getting into this video, I think it is better to start with a small story. There was a young man who got a job transfer to a village, so he took all his things and shifted to that village. He is searching for a rental house, and since it is a small village, he could not be able to find a house inside the village. The whole day he was searching for a house and asking many people about the rental house, but he could not be able to find it. Finally, a person met this young man and said that there is a house for himself and a little outside the village and he can stay there. Young man was very happy that he got a place to stay. The person showed his house and informed the young man to pay a fair rental. They both mutually agreed, closed the deal, and a young man moved to that house. He was staying there for more than a month. Everything is fine at the house, and he is happy about all the amenities in the house. One day, he was drinking coffee in the village shop and discussing it with the village persons about his personal life and all those stuffs actually. And he was saying he's staying living in a house outside the village. Everyone was shocked and advised him not to stay in that house. He was wondered, and they were saying there is a ghost in that house, and that is why the house is empty for 2 years. After hearing this, he got surprised and a little panicked, but he did not show up this in his face and argued that there is no ghost existing in the world. Mm, some of them were laughing at him. He returned to his house and thought about the ghost that the coffee shop people mentioned. He could not be able to get rid of the ghost subject, even he says ghost doesn't exist. In the middle of the night, he woke up hearing an unusual sound in the house. He got panicked and decided to vacate the house immediately. Early morning, he called the house owner and he informed that he is going to vacate and he will bring the vehicle to take all his things after the work hours. In the afternoon, he went to the coffee shop and he discussed these things about the yesterday's night, about the ghost, about the sound, what he heard, and about his decision to vacate the house. The people who laughed at them yesterday started laughing today also. This young man got angry and asked them why you people are laughing at this situation, especially when I need some help actually. They replied that there is no ghost in that house. Yesterday, the house broker was there in the shop. He is the one who informed you that there is a ghost in the house so that you will vacate and move to the new house which is vacant now inside the village. So, house broker will get the commission fee. This young man got embarrassed now about the situation and he left the coffee shop. Now, you people tell me whether the young man has to stay in that house or leave the house by paying commission for the broker for a new house. So, what I'm trying to say is let us not listen to anyone who is misguiding you in your path of learning the stock market and misleading you to pull money from your pocket. Let yourself be the owner of your decisions and learn about the stock market through your experience, your own experience. So, anyone told you that the share market is like an ocean and it is difficult to understand, don't worry and don't listen to them as well. Or even if someone says to you that the people are selling the stock market techniques and guarantee for your returns, don't fall into that kind of trap really. If the person selling you are giving the tips guarantee which is guaranteed for the unbelievable returns, then why can't the person be a millionaire? Let us not fall into that any kind of trap. At the end of this video and the upcoming videos, you will be able to get the answers to your questions. If you have more doubts or questions, and if any topics to be covered which I am not taking, no issues, those will be countable please subscribe to our channel and comment in the comment section to answer your questions, and it will be posted as a separate video if your questions need detailed or comprehensive explanations. So let's get into the video. Share market. Like any other market where goods are traded by the traders, the share market is a digital platform or a digital place where you can trade shares. Traders buy and sell the shares in the market platform and book their profit and loss. Similar to physical goods, trading shares in the share market involves brokerage and government taxes for each trade. First, what does this share mean? Share or stock or equity is a financial instrument that represents a certain portion of the company assets. If you own one quantity of share of any company, that means you own a part of that particular company. Let us name a company TradeSense, which is listed in the stock market. Let's assume if you buy one or more equity shares, the company owes you something. The company has to give you something. The company is liable to do something for you. Yes. Now you become a part of any multi-million dollar company by paying a few bucks. This means a lot for the common people like us, like you and me. For example, if the company TradeSense net worth equals $10,000, let's say. Let us also say 60% of the company is owned by the company owner, and 40% of the company, the 40% belongs to the shareholders. That means $6,000 belongs to the company owner and $4,000 is the outstanding shares belonging to the common people or the shareholders. Assume current price of one share is $4. If you purchase 10 shares in the share market, your total investment will be $40 in the company, which is 1% of the total outstanding shares. Since you are a partner of the TradeSense company, you are eligible to get paid from the profit of the company in the form of a dividend or bonuses. We will see in detail about the dividend, bonuses and other factors in the upcoming videos. Okay, now you own a portion of the company and get all the benefits of the company when the company makes a profit, right? You are happy now. What if your company keeps giving losses? What if the company giving some negative news in the market actually? Most of the company is not debt free. Company buy loans from banks to expand the business or various other reasons. What is the situation in the case of being a partner in the loss making company? Do you want to pay that debt from your pocket? The answer is no. You don't need to pay the debt, but it doesn't mean that there is no risk in the share market investing. If you choose the wrong company that is making a loss, the company will not have new investors and the existing investors will sell their shares and get out of the company's partnership. This will result in the fall of share price and you have the risk of losing all your money, and the company also may go bankrupt. But are these trading procedures are safe and can we trust these trading procedures? The answer is yes. Regulatory bodies called stock exchanges are available in all the countries and taking responsibilities to take care of these processes and the procedures. So, do you want to know how the stock exchanges are working and what they do? Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Our next video will explain in detail about the stock exchanges, how it works, how it takes the responsibility and how it is managing its process. Hope you understand the basics concept of the share market. Please comment in the comment section and allow us to help you understand better. Thanks for watching.